Jai Hind, everyone. Welcome back in the LWC series. And in the today's episode, day 14, before moving to the next phase of LWC lifecycle hooks, it's important to discuss few terminologies which always bothers you, that what exactly these terminologies or these terms means. Till now, we have discussed every topic in detail. Just for example, in the previous few episodes, we discussed about the constructor in detail with the practical approach. We also discussed interview questions and the errors related to the constructor. So today, before moving with the next phase of the life cycle hook, let's talk about these few terminologies, because now once we will have the understanding with these terminologies, we will be able to understand the rest of the concept easily. So the first term is programming language. Now I'm sure that you all know what the programming language means. So basically, the programming language means the set of words or instructions which you provide to machine, and then you get the output. So the programming language like C, C++, C sharp, Java, Apex, etc., etc., right? These are the programming languages. And the another term which is very similar to the programming language is programming interface. What exactly the programming interface means? So we consider the programming interface as an API which help the software applications to communicate with each other. Okay. Now, as we all know, the for every web page, the HTML is the language which we use to design the web page. So for designing the web page, we use programming language HTML. But our machines do not understand HTML. Therefore, we developed the programming interface with the name as DOM, that is Document Object Model. Now, let us understand, this thing. So, just for example, whenever the browser loads your web page, just like this one, I developed this web page for for your understanding. So when the browser loads this web page, the HTML gets converted into data model. And this data model is consist of objects and nodes, okay, which together form your data model tree. Okay. Let me explain you. So again, I'm repeating. You know that the for any the web page, you need the HTML, right? So when the design your web page and your browser is loading, okay, so that HTML page is actually getting converted into the data model, right? And this data model is basically is consist of the objects and node. Okay. So any, let me show you. You see here, This is something like a tree. Okay. So any, the head, the title, the div, any tag which you see, is an object. Okay. H1 paragraph is an object, right? For your convenience, I also, they created one this picture for you so that it can be easy for you to understand that this is how it's a tree-like structure. Okay. So these all are tag HTML, head, title, body, H1, paragraph, right? So HTML tags is the object. Any confusion till here? And because below body you see the H1, so these are known as nested tags. You see, you understand? Nested one, nested for loop, right? So these are the nested tags. Anything, the coming as an, the child, or, the below it is a nested tags. Nested tags. Okay. And the text inside a tag is also an object. Okay. So in short, the what you have to understand is the two, these two terms, what is the programming language? Okay. Programming interface. Okay. Why the, the programming interface is important? Why we develop the DOM? Because whenever, our web page is getting loaded, so to make that thing understandable by the machine, we need a API, which technically we say as programming interface, so that our machine can understand. Okay. What machine can understand? The HTML. In short, you can say in a very the easy language, to make our machine understand HTML, we have developed the programming interface with the name as DOM, document object model. And whenever, the any web page loads, or, when the browser loads the web page, it forms a data model which is consist of, the objects and nodes in form of, and form a tree, data model tree, right? And you can see here. Okay. So every tag is, object, the text is object, everything, and anything coming below, the any tag is a nested tag, right? Hope you have understood these two, these three terms. One is the DOM, programming language, programming interface, right? Okay. And if you have understood, then we are moving with the next phase of the life cycle hook, because now you will be easily, the understanding whenever I will be explaining you that now we are entering into a DOM, we are exiting from the DOM. So each time, I will be using the term DOM, you will have the better understanding. All right, let's continue with the next episode. Let's take out, the questions if you have any.